All right, I got the 70 Mia dashcam M310 off of Amazon. It's powered by USB-C, but it's not hooked up to my my fuse panel. It comes with its own little adapter and this cord. It doesn't come with a it doesn't come with an SD card, but I don't know, for under 40 bucks off Amazon, I just want this to cover my butt in case I'm in an accident. So that's really what this camera is just designed for. I wasn't expecting 4K or anything real crazy with it. I think it's like 2.7K, and I'm using that term loosely. But with the footage and stuff, as you can see, like, it's like I turn it on when I'm going to work. That's the thing too, is you have to manually turn it on. Like I said, I'm turning it off now. But just one touch, I know I held a little longer, one touch and it would come right on. Like I said, it doesn't come with its own SD card. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for it. And the one thing too, to set it up, you're gonna need to use the Wi-Fi on your phone. Now, if you're driving and you have it hooked up to the camera and you're trying to use mobile data and your Wi-Fi is turned on the phone, you're not gonna be able to use your mobile data. So what you gotta do is hit it once.
Wi-Fi hotspot is off.
And there you go. So like I said, there's gonna be a link in the description along with an SD card. I was worried about it filling up the SD card, but the thing is, once it gets to the oldest video, it'll just delete it and just start. It will constantly delete the oldest video. So I got a 128 in it right now, but that's the thing. If it's going to delete the oldest video, if you really didn't need it, you can put a 32 gig, 64 gig, and you'll get a few hours out of it. So that's why I say you don't have to worry about the card filling up. So like I said, there's gonna be a link in the description with that, along with an SD card for it. And until next time, hey, shiny side up.